Last night, Florida's Supreme Court issued a ruling on a controversial abortion case, but hours later, the court announced the ruling was issued by mistake, and now some are wondering if it happened at all. Our Capitol Bureau reporter Libby Dean has the details now from Tallahassee.
Late last night, the Florida Supreme Court released an order that unsurprisingly allowed the state's 15-week abortion ban to remain in effect. What was surprising, though, was only 7 hours later, the court retracted the order. The short answer to what went wrong is there was a clerical mistake. The initial order out of the Florida Supreme Court rejected a request by abortion providers to block the state's 15-week abortion ban.
For a brief moment last night, it looked like that happened, and then we found out it didn't really happen.
Almost immediately after the order was issued, the court withdrew it, blaming the court clerk's office for the error.
I've been practicing 35 years. I've never seen the Florida Supreme Court issue an order and come back a few hours later and say, oops, sorry, it was a mistake.
In July, a lower court issued an injunction that put the 15-week abortion law on hold. If the state appeals the case, that would lead to an invalid injunction.
There's a lot of heightened scrutiny right now on the court systems. We saw that up in the federal, the U.S. Supreme Court and now the Florida Supreme Court. Unfortunately, this is going to raise some additional questions when that eventual ruling comes out.
Planned Parenthood has asked the courts to avoid the stay of the injunction and put the 15-week abortion ban on hold.
At 15 was very difficult to be able to achieve. We were happy that we were able to achieve it, and so I think we want to make sure that what we've done will stick.
All of this came a day after the state attorney general Ashley Moody's office released a 44-page document arguing that the Florida Supreme Court should reverse the decades-old position that a privacy clause in Florida's Constitution protects abortion rights.
If the Florida Supreme Court takes the case, it will almost certainly have to decide that question.
While this isn't the final say in the case, it could hint at future rulings out of the court. Until then, the 15-week abortion ban will remain in effect across the state. Reporting from Tallahassee, Libby Dean, 8 on your side.